guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my new design of my floor. So for this floor, I tried for like a extra approach, just that. So I added like new stuff. I added new grid layers. So I have walls, which is obviously the walls, and then I use walls as things on the ground that are we don't want the player to run through, like these pillars. And yeah, so I also made walls decor, which is the stuff decorations that we also don't want the player to run past. These are above the walls order and layer. They have 16, they have 30. So and then I made ground, which is everything on the ground except for it's not everything on the ground, it's all the ground. And I also made the walls for this, we'll get to that later, holes, anything you can fall into and you will die. That's the one. There's multiple types of holes, and this is stuff that you can run into. So it's gonna select that. Actually, I forgot how to use this, but next is teleportation holes. That's the end of level holes that will make you TP to the next level. So change scenes. And then the decor is everything that isn't that we want the player to run over. And there's also walls. So I'm adding a few things to this level. So for the first room, I've talked about I want this to be like a secret level entrance. You just need to find the key. And there is a random hole each level that you fall into and die. Each room that you fall into and die. The next room, it's gonna be like a puzzle room. I want it to be a little bit harder, so I don't want them to skip past the enemies that are gonna be coming at them. So I want them to go a specific way. So I'm gonna make that gap. Then they have to take one at a time, take them back to here with spikes that are coming up, and then place it in the right spot. This is a very hard puzzle. So different themes. This is just full-on brawl room. And this one, players can't skip the fight. There's final mini boss to go to the next level. And I did this so that the players couldn't skip the level, and then I had a little cool lanterns. And then I added a design kind of like last level. This is last level. So the main room with all the barrels and the table, and the different holders. And this is a little brawl room, and this is the library with the keys. And this is the exit room. So I kind of made it the last level's exit room. But yeah, I just spaced them farther apart. And a little problem I had that I haven't got to fixing yet is that these are off. As you can see, if I go to the tile palette and try to paint with walls, actually, it's tile palette. If I try to paint something with walls, it's there, right? Then if I try to go to the ground, as you can see, the thing shifted, but because it's not on the pillar. So they're kind of off. I would definitely get to fixing that. That's my next issue. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely add some more things to the main room. But overall, I think this level is a pretty good level for level 2. And then there's level 1, and then there's level 5. So I'm gonna make 5 levels. And then the main scene, which is a box showing the name of the game and then a start button. So as you can see, I have a lot of ideas, and I'm gonna try to like branch out and make each level a little longer. So next level might have like an extra room, and like I have to design like all of the things like that. I'm not really a great like whatever pixel artist or whatever you call this, like tile palette artist, but I know how to draw a wall. And like as long as I get like the next 2 levels that I want to design like things down like perfect, and then I'm good. Like, yeah, that's it for this video.